Who falls in love faster, girls or boys?
Oh, hey!
Oh, medyo mainit yan
Meron akong nakitang nag-comments under a video, sabi, not everyone should have a podcast.
Ano ba yung usual na nagpapa-viral sa isang podcast? You talk about sex. Say, chismis or katarantaduhan na nakaka-degrade.
Yeah.
Siyempre, as a creator, minsan iniisip mo, ito yung bumibente.
Yeah.
Sabi nga namin ni Bri, hindi tayo pwedeng sumabay sa wave na yan because iniisip natin is that longevity.
Yeah.
You'll be famous for the wrong reasons, so
Diba?
wag na lang.
For one viral video and then iisipin mo how to outdo that last viral.
Just like in business, pangalagaan mo yung pangalan mo.
May na-regret na ba kayo ever na inere ninyo?
Ay, meron! Minsan yung things na gusto mong mangyari, ang saya pala na hindi siya nangyari. Kasi eventually, yun pala yung reason kung bakit hindi natuloy yung deal na yun.
Yeah.
Say What Podcast with G and Abby.
Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to another episode of Say What? My name is Abby Asistio.
And G Canlas.
Your host for today. And
Ayan.
G,
Ay nako.
exciting.
Alam mo yung host tayo pero meron din tayo mga co-host na rin sa show.
I know. Natatakot na intimidate nga ako kasi podcasters ang kasama natin ngayon. So parang may part din na parang tinitignan natin kung at par tayo. Kung nag-elevate na tayo as a podcast.
But we had so much fun with them. Before we formally introduce them, ang experience namin with them is nag-guest ako and then we guested together.
Yeah, first time natin mag-guest as Say What Girls.
Yes.
Sa show nila.
First time ever that Say What Girls guested actually. Yes.
Talaga?
Yes.
Okay.
And we
Isa pa? Yes! Oo.
And we guested on this show, Life Over Whiskey. And here we are with the guests.
Yes.
Ayan.
Guys, give it up for Brian and Gerard.
Hi guys.
Hello.
What do you call your audience?
Ito, kaka-develop pa lang nito.
Yeah.
Hi mga ka-say-what!
Mga ka-say what? What's up?
What's up?
Say what? Hello to everyone who's listening.
Ba't sa inyo?
Kawiski.
Kawiski.
Oh, very cool, very nonchalant.
Kakape tayo tonight.
Yun na nga
Today. But yeah, thank you for being on the show.
It's
thank
our
you for-
pleasure.
yeah.
Grabe.
Oo, and when we guested on your show, I remember we just felt parang nag-overtime tayo.
Oh, we did?
Yeah,
That was one of the longest.
Yeah.
Mahaba.
guest.
No way.
Yes,
Pero
din,
masarap yung usapan. Sabi ko nga, ang cheesy nito. Pero alam mo yung mga tao kang nakakausap na parang nagje-gel lang kayo.
Yeah.
Totoo.
So parang nung nagsama-sama kaming apat, kaya rin napahaba yung conversation. Kasi parang magaan din yung loob sa isa't isa.
Yes.
Oo.
Agree.
At dahil dyan, maghawak-hawak kamay tayo.
Ayan.
Ang chummy eh. Pero serious.
But obviously for you to gel well with people aside from just chemistry, you must have history,
Yeah.
right? So for our kasewats and for people who would want to know more about that background, I personally am interested to know what is the background for Life Over Whiskey and paano kayo nag-come together? How did this come about? As friends first and then evolved into gusto mo yung evolved into the podcast show?
You want to share first? Go.
First of all, my name is Brian. This is
And I'm Gerald.
Yeah.
Para opening na Life Over Whiskey.
But yeah,
Sabi ko sa'yo, papalitan na nila tayo. Balik ka na nga.
Ay, this is a takeover, guys.
Take over.
But yeah, we met through actually a project,
Mhm.
a production project, and he was a director for that project, and naghahanap siya ng technical director.
Mhm.
Just so happened, ako yung nirecommend
Mhm.
Nung cinematographer.
ng cinematographer niya.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yes. And then, at that time, series of live streams.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Parang I think that was 8 episodes, right?
8 episodes with a very prominent brand.
Mhm.
But on the third or fourth shooting namin,
Mhm.
syempre, mas nakikilala ko na siya. Para maramdaman mo kung may substance. Alam mo
Pero
yun?
nung una, kailangan mo aminin, transactional lang tayo.
Transactional. I mean, it's business. eh.
Yeah.
Right? You're,
Work buddies.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. You're there for the project.
Yeah.
But over time, parang you get to papakaramdaman mo yung tao na makakasama mo eh.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So ang mga third or fourth time, nagkaroon na ng impression sa akin na, oh yeah, this person has substance. and there's a connection, there's a wavelength na parehas kayo. You
Yeah.
get that feeling, right?
Yeah.
And then one day, he just called me out of the blue and sabi niya, Bri, I saw that you're doing podcast. Audio podcast pa ako nung time na yun.
Anong pangalan nito?
Through My Fault was my own podcast.
Through My
Through
Fault?
My Fault.
Wow.
Through my fault. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So, mahabang usapan.
Malalim din yun, yung
But nakita-
topics nyo dun.
That's for me,
Oo.
the podcast ko.
Oo.
But, nakita ni Direk yun na ginagawa ko siya. So, he just asked me, would you be interested in doing a podcast with me called Life Over Whiskey?
So the idea came from you.
The name and the
concept.
idea came from him.
Aha.
But me being me,
Yeah.
pag ako talaga na-excite mo ko sa idea, kaya kong expound yan na mamaya may steps 1 to 12 na tayo.
Mhm.
And we, through collaboration, ang bilis namin siya na-execute.
Yeah.
So that's how it started. Nagkaroon naisip ko na yung mga scripts and,
Yeah.
and ideas.
Pero
It started with that phone call.
Yeah. So after the phone call, so sabi ko, Bri, when do we do this?
Mhm.
Sabi niya, ikaw direct. So sabi ko, let's do this ASAP. Kasi pag hindi natin ginawa to agad, hindi natin to gagawin ever.
Yeah.
So
How long
kailangan-
ago was this?
Oh, so we started, that was 2022.
Yeah.
Wow.
We shot the first episode na May
We met ng March
2022,
and
yeah.
then we shot the first 5 episodes
ng
ng May
2022.
2022.
Agad.
Pero ang tagal namin bago namin nilabas.
Ni-release namin siya
Ah.
September of 2022.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
reason for that, kasi ako yung mag-i-edit. Ako yung shooter, ako yung mag-i-edit.
Yeah.
Siya
Ganun talaga
naman-
sa umpisa
Oo.
Sariling
Yes.
Sika
So yun yung
Production.
context.
Oo.
We are production people, we're the back end.
Yeah.
Kami nag-set up, kami din yung nasa harapan.
Mhm.
Oo.
So the challenge was, sige, ano yung ambag natin?
Yeah.
Ako sa audio, ako sa studio at that time.
Yeah.
And then
So,
sa lights,
nakaka-relate.
si Direk naman sa camera and as well as
Sa
the editing.
Yeah.
So, yung toka namin.
So, syempre, ang surprising dito, production people, so supposed to be may crew kami. Kaya
Yeah.
lang, remember, pandemic time yun. So,
Yeah.
every penny counts.
Yeah.
So, kung isipin mo kung magbabayad kami ng crew, additional
kaya naman namin.
expense namin yun,
Yeah.
di ba? Plus the fact na ang Life Over Whiskey was supposed to be a marketing tool
Mhm.
for our production company.
Mhm.
Hindi siya talaga, well, syempre, sabi ko na nga lang rin kay Bri, may recording pa yun. Sabi ko, Bri, dapat pag gumawa tayo ng podcast,
Mhm.
yung kapupulutan ng aral.
Yes.
Kasi sayang ang oras ng tao kung manonood
Yeah.
sa'yo tas trash content siya.
True. Yeah.
Diba? So, yeah.
Parang we had that idea from the very beginning
Aha.
that the content that we're gonna create is something that adds to people, not takes away.
Yeah. Ang
The
ganda.
feeling of something is being taken away from you.
Yeah.
Mhm.
May mararamdaman kang ganun na content nowadays. So, it's important na when we started, that's our frame of
Ang
mind.
ganda nun. Sorry kasi hindi yun naiisip ng mga tao minsan, lalo na yung culture natin, scroll lang tayo
Yeah.
ng scroll.
Yeah.
Yung sometimes you watch something, may kapupulutan ka o makukuha ka, minsan natitake din pala away from you.
Yeah.
As a
Parang
person,
nakain yung
other
oras mo.
Oras mo yung...
Natunaw yung brain cells mo.
Oo.
Because you are a consumer,
Yeah.
right? Whether you're consuming something physically or you're consuming content online.
Tsaka tayo minsan, there are certain topics or let's say, ito, conversation natin.
Mm.
Minsan akala mo normal conversation eh. Pero magugulat ka may isang situation or challenge sa buhay mo na yung sinabi ni G or ni Abby or ni Brian
Yeah.
nagamit ko.
Oo.
Ma-realize mo na lang
Naka-apply
yon
siya.
after.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba? So parang nag-work din yung subconscious brain mo eh. diba?
Oo.
It's nice that you had that same vision na ganun yung purpose ng podcast. Kasi
Mm.
nag-align na kayo as individuals.
Yeah.
Even for the purpose of the show, it was the same naman.
Yes.
I think
yes.
we treated it as a company from the very
Mm.
beginning na parang gagawin natin tama.
Yeah.
So nagkaroon kami ng mission vision, core values, mga ganun kami. Kasi parang we have to see ourselves
Mhm.
na we're aligned
Yeah.
and parehas tayo napupuntahan.
Yeah.
Are we in agreement?
Yeah.
If not, hindi mo natin tuloy ito.
Mhm.
Di
Yeah.
ba?
Tama.
Ang galing kasi it's hindi lahat ng nakausap namin in life,
Yeah.
not in the show but like in life have the same organized like goals to begin
Yes.
with it. Of course, you learn from trial and error.
Yes.
Pero when you guys started the show, what made you think na parang meron bang specific moment na parang tatagal tong show na to? Meron bang ganun?
Yeah,
The
meron.
feeling, no?
Oh.
Yeah,
The feeling.
meron. Kasi
We have a video actually. we even have a video. Kasi tumataya na talaga kami on the very beginning.
Yeah. Actually, ang napansin ko kasi with us, parang give and take kami. Lalo na sa creatives. Ako, syempre there are times na syempre since I'm older, I'm the kuya. Syempre minsan may tendency ka na, Bray, hayaan mo ko, let me take care of this kasi I know this. Pero tinanggal ko yun. Because I have to respect my partner equally.
Yeah.
Even if ito yung expertise ko.
Yeah.
So, kasi maybe he sees something that I don't see.
Yeah.
Diba? And let's face it, yung mga younger people, I'm experienced pero mas creative ang younger people, right? So parang, sabi ko nga, nung nakita kong, pati naman siya parang nakikita ko na nagpapasensya rin.
Yeah.
Siyempre may mga creative kami differences.
Yeah. Normal naman.
Normal lang creative differences.
Diba? So, kaya lang, pag yun, hindi mo na-handle right away, ang mangyayari dyan kasi magkakaroon ng resentment eventually.
Yeah.
So,
Naiipon.
Bottled up.
So, for example, merong isang, let's say, episode na ginawa kami na medyo meron ako hindi na gusto, automatic yun, wala kami yung parang pagpapasensyahan muna kita. Ko-call out kita right away. Ganon din siya sa akin. So may ganon kaming ruling para it doesn't build up over
Transparency and communication
Yes.
matters a lot too.
Even earnings. Talagang may access kami. For example, we open an account na talagang designated for Life Over Whiskey.
Yeah.
So sponsorship or even monetization, lahat doon yun.
Ang ganda kasi, even the business aspect is accounted for.
Yes.
Hindi siya yung parang although it works din naman sometimes yung parang yung throw punches in the air and let's see where it lands. Pero I love how this started with like a plan. And I want to know, paano naging Life Over Whiskey? What made you decide? Because when we guested on the show, sinasabi ko sa inyo, gusto ko yung ang ganda ng vibe. It was a very man cave
ang social ng brand.
Ang social ng brand.
Yung parang pagpasok ko, parang, uy, alam ng mga taong ito yung ginagawa nila. Okay ako mag-guest dito. Yung parang, pati enjoy mga time. Yung mga tanong nila, parang pinag-isipan nila talaga. Na-challenge ako
Oy, pero sinabi mo yung questions na pinag-isipan, magiging transparent kami Walang script yun. Alam niyo naman.
Hindi pala nila tayo pinaghandaan.
No. Hindi, parang yun yung, hindi.
Wala palang effort.
Wala pala silang pakialam. Sabi pa nila, sino ba itong mga guest natin? Basta may dalawang babae doon, bahala na.
Bahala na.
Parang lang, sa amin kasi nag-work sa brand namin. Na parang,
go with the flow.
Go with the flow lang.
Yeah.
So parang for example, i-guess natin si G. Canlas and si Abby, through me, kunyari gano'n, no? So siya, hindi na siya, even if let's say may konti siyang background sa inyo.
He's the common connection sa inyo. Ako, I wouldn't search more about you guys a lot.
Yeah.
Just enough para may alam ako. But we would want to get to know you through the show.
That's how we do it too.
Yeah, parang may sense of curiosity rin. Hindi yung parang ni-research na kita, alam ko na lahat. Diba? Ano pang malalaman mo?
Kasi totoo lang, that's the basic essence of human connection.
Discovery.
In the past, wala naman, search mo nga sa Google, search mo nga sa Facebook, search mo nga yung handle niya. Walang ganun.
Parang sorry, sa dating ganyan kasi sinasabi ng mga tao, di ba parang, sige, may i-date ako, I'll search for him. Tapos, nakakita mo na yung buong background niya. Di pag nakita kayo, ano pa yung at saka meron ka ng preconceived notion of who the person is. Instead of organically getting to know him.
So, best foot forward ka na.
Yeah.
Pero babalik namin sa inyo yung tanong. Pasensya na host kami.
Sila host talaga.
Babalik namin para maiba, di ba? So,
sige.
Kayo naman, yung say what? I mean, kamusta naman yung creative differences nyo? Nag-aaway ba kayo?
Oh my God.
I mean, meron ba kayong 1 week na hindi nag-uusap? Di ba?
Actually,
2 days ago lang.
nung ilang araw lang, stretch din talaga sa character and friendship. Kasi like what you said, may differences talaga But I think what we've learned through the years that we've been working together, those moments that we butt heads or there's friction and tension are opportunities for us to grow.
Yeah.
Not just as partners, but as individuals. Case
Partners sa show.
Sa show, hindi po kami magjowa. Pero hindi, nung isang araw lang nag-away kami. Tapos tama siya, basta may argument kami. Pero pinilit ko pa rin, hindi ganyan. Tapos na-realize ko maya-maya, may point siya.
Teka, sino pa nagsusorry sa inyong dalawa?
Pareho kami.
Parang,
Ano sabi mo?
Pareho ba?
Tires ko siya.
Sabi ko, tama ka. I overshared. Love. Okay, bye. Yun lang. Parang tapos na. Dati kasi, i-hold on ko pa yun eh. Tatry kong talagang i-justify kung ba't ako yung tama. Pero na-realize ko na ngayon, yun nga. Mas part of growing up also is knowing when you're not right, acknowledging, apologizing, letting it go, moving forward.
Ako naman, tanungin mo yung itsura ko nung nag-message. Alam mo yung emoji na ganito, yung
pero may mga moments, ako naman yung tama. Ano naman reaction mo kapag ikaw mali?
I'm sorry if I made you feel that way. May ganun
pero
naman.
ganyan yung tono niya. Inaaway niya pa rin ako. Sorry. Joke lang.
But ako, ang na-realize ko nun, I don't hold back when I tell her how I feel about a certain situation because I share the same belief na don't let things fester and then ang ending is bibigay yung friendship or yung relationship dahil sa pagkalit-lit na bagay kasi it was like the straw that broke the camel's back.
Wow! Honey!
You're such a podcaster.
Diba? So parang the pin under
Pero aminin nyo, no? Nung bata tayo, parang ang hirap ng word na sorry. Pero pag tumanda ka na, or let's say nasa tamang age ka na, may wisdom ka na, mas na siya mas hindi na siya ganun kahirap i-let go lalo na sa taong importante sa'yo.
Yeah.
Diba?
I realized when I say sorry, parang self-discovery din for me. I feel a little, parang, hindi pride eh. I'm happy that may mga natitibag na pride, yung chip ng pride off the shoulder na parang, kaya ko na pala na gawing vulnerable yung sarili ko na nagkamali ako.
I'm proud of you. Kasi sobrang pride ng taong to.
Yeah.
Ngayon, na siya? Mas soft.
It helps you be grounded.
Yes,
right?
yes. Oo.
So really, there's value in giving time to process.
Yeah.
Process and getting to understand and know where the other person's coming from. Kasi what I realized, despite the disagreements, minsan, if I want to assert myself, alam ko na hindi siya ganun mag-isip or ayaw niya yung ganung feeling. Hindi ko na ipupush.
Yeah.
Kasi alam ko na magaganyan kami if I do this or if I say this. Hindi na lang.
Pero may
I just
default
keep it to
ako
myself.
Pag kunwari pinupush mo pa rin, ang nangyayari sa akin, you're missing the point. Wag na muna tayo mag-usap. Like, wag na muna mag-usap. Kasi if
decompress muna.
Decompress muna. Even if you end things ng medyo mataas, okay lang is full stop nyo na muna. Wag na muna kayo mag-usap. After nun, if you guys have time to, ganun din ba kayo? Like after, when you guys have a certain parang disagreement, do you kind of leave things muna on the table? How do you handle
Yes
that?
and no eh. Yes and no. Sige, you go first.
Well, there was a time that we didn't spoke for I think a week.
A week.
Hindi kami nag-uusap.
Mm.
Kasi baka nga may masabi ka na hindi mo na mababawi.
Yeah.
So because you're in the heat of the moment and baka pangunahan ka ng emotions mo.
Mhm.
So I tried to process it first by myself and try to understand
Yeah.
ano naramdaman ko. Hindi just to proving myself right.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But also just looking at saan ba ito nanggagaling?
Mhm.
Right? And then, nag-usap kami and then we are able to process it a lot better.
Yeah.
So, but we gave ourselves space.
Mhm.
Space pero direct.
Na parang, at sabihin nyo, wag mo na
Head on
mag-usap.
pa rin.
Oo.
Parang head
Hindi
on
siya
pa rin yung
vague.
approach. Hindi siya vague. Parang wag muna tayo mag-usap. Parang hinga muna. Tapos pag nag-usap kayo, hindi naman na kami masyado nag-filter. May ganun na kami. Parang alam na
Na-process
namin
nyo na
yung isa't isa eh.
Awareness
Because
na.
one specific instance, there was a time na ang dami nangyayari sa akin, sobrang erratic. Nag-snap ako sa kanya.
Yeah.
Like, parang unwarranted na bakit parang ako
Masungit.
looking back at nakita ko yung
Grumpy.
message.
grumpy.
Yeah.
Grumpy.
Yeah.
I'm like, looking back, kung nakita ko yung message ko sa kanya, bakit ko sinabi yun? Parang gano'n.
Nagpa-project ka sa kanya nung
Project
pinagdadaanan
because everything
mo.
is happening all at once. Nadadamay siya.
Yeah.
Ako, like, ang observation ko lang kasi what I love about this particular interview, we're both podcasters, duos, right? But you're men.
Yeah.
And I love how you're discussing these things from a male
Perspective.
Yes.
Yes.
So, would you say na, in general, male relationships, is this like the dynamic? Or usually men, when they fight, is it parang ang knowledge ko kasi doon, suntukan na lang sa labas.
De,
Ano?
ganda ng
Ganon.
tanong mo. Ako yung best person na magsasagot
Yes,
niyan.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
Ako usually kasi yung usual friendship na meron ako with my barkadas, isipin mo yung yung parang oozing with testosterone. Yung angasan talaga.
Bakit parang ganda ng tunog ng gano'n? Ay, sorry. Iba yung naisip ko, using with testosterone. I felt the estrogen.
Gumanon siya.
Para mga detraki.
Oh my God.
Iba yung...
Iba yun yung isip
Anong
ko
oras
na.
ba ngayon? Okay. Okay.
So, usually kami, very confrontational. Tapos, alam mo yung typical immature men na walang pakialam kung masaktan yung kaibigan mo. Words by words.
Yeah.
Siyempre, pag medyo matanda ka, meron mga isang time, naalala ko isang friend ko, recently, before pandemic pa to, munti ka magsuntukan sa golf course. Ganong level. So, parang,
Hatawan ng
na-realize ko, nung tumanda ako, sabi ko, what's that for? Ano ba yung pinaglalaban ko? Pride ko?
Yeah.
Ego ko na kasi ganito, mas lalaki ako sa'yo, mas macho. May mga those things. So, para sabi ko, what for? Hindi mo na-cherish yung relationship eh.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, nung like kami ni Bri, parang nandun kami sa may pagka-feminine energy. Meaning, mas willing kang ibaba yung guard mo. Na it's okay to say na, oh bro, I didn't like what you did. Kung sa ibang scenario yon ang mangyayari, ano gusto mo? Sobra ka na. Di ba? Yung ganun, di ba?
Gusto yung sinabi mo Ano gusto mo? Suntukan tayo?
Isang flip side nun, meron din namang iba, hindi nagsasalita. Yung di na lang, yung parang, may mga guys na ganun din. Yung dinadamdam na lang nila, tapos hindi na lang magpapakita, hindi, ayoko siyang.
Stoic daw kasi stoic.
Ekis ka na.
Yan katulad niya, sorry, I just have to say this. Yung being stoic, maraming taong gumagamit ng mali niyan eh. Minsan it breaks relationships just because ginagamit yung stoicism ng mali.
Yeah.
O feeling nila, konti pagkakamali, alis na ako sa relationship. Para sa akin, kung talagang aalis ka sa relationship, wala nang balikan yan dapat. Kasi pag bumalik ka, ikaw rin magbumukhang tanga eh. Diba?
Pag may mga ganong ginagawa ang isang tao, para siya mga half circles, hindi siya complete. And hindi mo siya mapansin, but it's in the background of your mind.
Yeah.
Tapos pag naalala mo, babalik, you feel anxious na naman, di ba?
Yeah.
So I call those sometimes experiences or relationships half circles. Kasi hindi siya nakompleto.
Okay,
Hindi mo na-process, binitawon mo na lang. Hindi mo siya kinausap. Andyan pa din yan.
Yeah.
It still drains energy from you.
Kaya yung sa amin, so yun yung natutunan namin dalawa na parang dapat pag may problema, pag-usapan natin ng matino. Like a grown man, hindi yung parang dadaanin mo sa away, passive-aggressive attitude. Di ba? Dapat as an adult, do we want to save this relationship? Parang mag-asawa, mag-shota. Di ba? Parang,
Is it worth
Golden hands.
Sige na.
So yun yung dapat ganun ng friendship. Tsaka ito bang taon to gaano ka-importante sa'yo? Kasi kung hindi naman din ganun ka-importante at feeling mo you're not aligned, I might as well just lose the relationship.
True.
Diba?
Meron akong na-experience nyo na ba yung dahil nag-work kayo? Sorry, minsan nararamdaman ko to sa'yo eh. Yung parang ayaw kita kausapin pa eh. Pero dahil meron tayong work, magsushoot, kailangan parang, sige, I'll set aside na emotions muna or yung sama ng loob ko. Sige, trabaho muna tayo.
Oh my gosh.
Pero busy talaga ako. Yung parang ganun.
So nangyayari sa amin ni Bri?
Oo.
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Actually ngayon, nagpa-plastikan nga sila dito.
naman.
The show must go on.
So how do you deal with that? Kasi for kami, ang is, so we had like a, tawag doon pre-prod, na I was upset with her. And she was like, bakit? Ano na akong ginawa? Yes.
Gusto ko yung
reenactment. Ano mong ginawa? Hi! Gaganon pa yan. Tapos ako yung parang I'm fuming.
Hindi ganun yung hi ko, ganun lang.
I'm fuming. But we make it work. Ang sa akin is, I'll talk to you, but I won't look at you. Kasi I will acknowledge yung idea mo. I will talk to you. Di ba gano'n? Kasi,
nanginginig yung side na nila.
Hindi lang ako talaga yung para pagpikon kasi ako nakikita sa mukha eh. So,
hindi niya matago
confrontational person ka ba?
I am a confrontational person pero
may strength yung pagkasabi ko. Gusto niya kailangan na settle muna yung mga bagay-bagay.
Hindi ngayon, hindi na rin na ngayon.
Pero from what I remember, nung yung friendship nyo, nag-FO kayo, ikaw ang unang lumapit, tama ba?
Yeah, siya yung... because of your hair.
Di ba parang nag-message ka na ilo-launch yung...
pero hindi yun, matagal na yun eh. It was more of a self-liberation thing for me. Not because yung initial thought ko is,
pick up where we left off.
Fix things with Gazelle. Parang, ayun.
Pero na-miss nyo rin naman isa't isa.
Mami na lang kayo.
Ayan na naman. But kayo...
I mean, it had to happen.
Yeah. But like for you guys, how does it go for you?
Kami?
Oo, pag kunwari yan, kailangan nyo magtrabaho.
Tapos brainstorming po.
Wala. Tuloy lang kami. Tapos pagdating namin sa coaches.
Pero ramdam mo eh.
Ramdam mo yung tension. Ramdam mo yung tension. Tapos pag nasa kotse na kami, bra, hindi ko nagustuhan yung kanina. Ha? Sabi ko, parang that's a little bit off for me. Tapos sasabihin niya, direct kasi ito yung nangyari. Ba't ko ginawa to?
Yeah.
Vice versa rin naman. Parang direct, dapat yun, di mo na sinabi kanina. I'm sorry for that. Sabi ko, I mean, wala namang ano dun. Kung baga kaming dalawa, wala kaming pride sa isa't isa.
Yeah.
Yan.
I feel like that's that's so vulnerable but so manly at the same time.
Yeah.
I think it takes a real man to own their feelings.
Yeah.
Hindi siya ganun kadaling sabihin. So when you say it, parang you own it.
Siguro rin kasi minsan alam mo masyadong machismo yung mga lalaki, yung mga parang Andrew Tate type. I mean, I was once like that. Aminin ko lang rin. Ganun din ako before eh. Parang masyadong feeling ko alpha male, dapat ganito. But in reality, that's stupid for me. May hangganan yan.
Yeah.
Depende yan kung...
There's merit, there's value in it naman. Kasi yung energy na yun is for protection talaga eh. Pero more than protection, you need to be able to express yourself. Hindi yung the idea na, hindi kaya ko ito mag-isa. Hanggang sasabog ka na lang.
Yeah.
Depende sa sitwasyon kung kailan mo siya gagawin.
Kailangan. Pero dahil pinagdaanan niya na, kaya na matap yung energy na yun.
Yeah.
Yun
kasi
yung
yung natural eh. Natural ko growing up eh. So, syempre, pag medyo matanda ka na, importante ba sa itong tao to? Tame down ka.
Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng kung ganun ka, hindi ka tatagalan ng kaibigan mo rin. Diba? So, vice versa. Sa kunyari, meron siyang certain attitude na hindi ko naman din gusto. Kung hindi rin siya mag-level sa akin, it's not gonna last. Sabi nga namin eh, if nagkakilala kami 10 years ago, we hate each other for sure.
Kasi magkaiba pa.
Magkaiba kami.
Yeah.
At saka, parang kayong dalawa, tingnan nyo kayong dalawa, opposite. Di ba? Super opposite. pero di ba, it works eh.
Yeah.
It works.
I want to know, like, so for the viewers, sino sa inyo yung parang mas loud? Sino yung parang mas pacifier? Who takes those roles?
Loud. Depende sa loud.
Or like mas ano ba?
Outgoing?
Outgoing, ganon.
Kasi nung nag-guest kami, sabi mo tayo yung mas magka-personal.
Yeah.
Kami,
yes,
ako.
Sasabihin ko
Yeah.
Very strong personality ni Direct J. I usually am the one that mediates situations. Pero because nga of his life experience, he learned how to communicate properly in a sense na pag kailangan niya to level himself, kaya niya to also do that.
Nare-regulate.
Oo, nare-regulate na niya.
Siguro parang ganito. For example, isipin mo nagmamaneho ka ng sports car, tumatakbo ka ng 300 kilometers per hour or 200 kilometers na lang to be realistic. You cannot run 200 kilometers all the time. Kailangan may magpepreno dyan. Pag palagi kang ganun, okay, makakarating ka sa gusto mong puntahan, pero minsan hindi mo alam yung destination mo is hindi maganda. So siya yung taga-preno.
Ang ganda nun. Ikaw rin yung clutch.
Alam mo, feeling ko nga pareho tayo kasi ikaw yung preno. Ako naman, ang metaphor ko for us.
Yeah?
Sige.
Parang kite.
Wow.
First time? Kasi narinig mo na ba ito, Andrea?
Saranggola po ito.
Saranggola.
Si G, yung personality niya, yeah, let's do this. Let's make this happen. Ako yung string. Na nagpo-cause ng na tension. Na kailangan mo rin yung tension na yun kasi pag walang string, lilipad-lipad yung kite tas babagsak. Pwedeng ano. So the tension is just enough for the flight to soar.
Yeah.
Wow! Baka natin.
Iba talaga say what?
Say what?
Say what?
Oh my God.
No, kasi actually, ngayon ko lang na
That makes sense.
No, kasi ngayon, come to think of it, whenever something good or bad happens, personal or work-wise, and when we talk about it, I feel it so boldly, like, yung madiin, yung parang, for me, siya yung parang, oh yeah, that's nice.
Both for good news and bad news.
Baka naman.
Maano siya mag-react kasi she feels a lot. You sense the passion.
Pero aminin mo, minsan pag ganun siya nakakainis.
Oo, yung parang.
Aminin mo.
Nababasag, nabibwisit.
Kasi pag siya ganun sa akin, pirang, alam mo ba rin, naiinis ako dyan. Hindi ko gusto, huwag ka na umalit dyan. Sasabihin niya, Direk, baka naman ganito. Isa ko sabihin, Bre, ano ba yan? Bakit ka ganyan? Alam mo, pero parang sabi ko, okay, fine.
Yeah. Or gusto mo sabihin, pwede bigay mo na lang sa akin. Yung gusto kong ma-feel ngayon.
Or kung kunwari sobrang exciting nung news and you know when you go like, ha, jazz, ha. Tapos siya parang, oh, that's nice. So parang like, my mouth is hanging open, like, do this with me now. Do it with me.
Moments sa ganun eh.
Sakto.
So with those, like going back to your podcast, I'm sure you've had like highs and lows.
Yes.
So who's the, parang sino yung parang, kaya natin to? Yung isa naman parang, fight, or what's your positioning when it comes to challenges sa show?
Tsaka dadagdag ko dyan, when you finally launched the show, was it everything that you imagined it to be or medyo it took a while din?
Okay, good question. It took a while. Pero ako kasi nga, di ba sabi ko siya, laging go eh. Parang always elevate.
Yeah.
Si Brian na yung minsan parang, Direk, hindi natin pwedeng gawin tong part na to kasi baka eventually mag-backfire to sa atin.
Okay. May caution.
May caution. So,
hindi align.
Oo. So which ako naman, coming from, hindi, kailangan ma-achieve natin to, hindi pwedeng hindi. Pero yun nga, kailangan mo rin ng kailangan ng balance.
And I understand kasi kailangan din naman ng milestones.
Yeah.
Because these are things that you would want to look forward na marating mo eh.
Yeah.
Right? So, but sometimes, pag nararamdaman mo kasi kung forced, alam mo yun, mararamdaman kung medyo forced, parang would it really help us? Or baka maging setback? Alam mo yung ganun feeling. So, sometimes I just catch him and just say, hinga ka muna direct, post muna tayo, baka mamaya papasubo tayo dyan. Sabi ko.
Tsaka ito may isi-share ako sa inyo na baka makarelate din ng mga viewers nyo. Minsan yung things na gusto mong mangyari, ang saya pala na hindi siya nangyari. Kasi eventually, holy shit, yun pala yung, okay lang ba? Nagmura ako yun. Holy shit, yun pala
Curse away!
Yun pala yung reason kung bakit hindi natuloy yung deal na yun.
Yeah. May purpose.
May purpose. And eventually pala, hindi pala aligned doon. Akala mo, I want that. Kasi magkakaroon kami ng milestone dyan eh. Or ng reach. Pero hindi pala.
True.
So, yan.
But like, in the early parts of your show, so it took a while for you to, diba, parang yung mabilis na
gain steam,
gaining steam, the following. What was like that momentum na parang yung parang wow, pumalo. Tapos from there you kind of felt like there was a different breeze going for the show.
Maganda ikaw mag-share niyan kasi siya ang una nakakita eh. Natutulog lang kami. Kumbaga sa mga kanya-kanyang bahay na pero siya naka-discover niya.
So we were releasing once a week since September of 2022.
Wow.
Hindi ganun ka tagal when we experienced yung first wave of virality. It was just December of 2022. So in contrast naman with other creators na parang years before they even experienced.
Yeah.
But those 3 months na once a week kami nagre-release consistently, 100 views, 300 views. Yun lang ang views
mga
namin.
Likes, mga 20.
Oo.
Parang kami.
Marami na yung 200 Parang medyo successful na pag may 200 likes.
Yeah, masaya na kami. May isang reel na nag-500, tuwan-tuwa na kami.
Yeah.
It was December. So December, I was with my friends. Nasa karaoke place kami in Makati. Medyo mahina ang signal sa loob. But I keep on refreshing yung TikTok.
Tumaas na ba? Madami diba?
Because nagulat ako open TikTok. Di ba pag na-open nga TikTok, makikita mo yung number of ng likes, nagpa-pop up yun Di ba? Ano to? Parang nag-bug. Tapos keep on refreshing until, sabi ko, labas nga ako. Pagkalabas ko, doon na yung nakita ko na nag-viral yung first videos. Nag-viral yung video na pinost namin.
60K agad tayo nun, no? 60K, no?
Nagkaroon kami from December, we ended December na parang around 60-70K followers kami on TikTok. All of a sudden.
Oh, wow.
So I'm like, when I saw that, sabi ko hindi talaga bug. So talagang first wave of virality, I would say. Kasi I always see it as virality comes in waves.
Yeah.
So as long as you're consistent with your message, with your branding, darating at darating virality.
Yeah.
So you don't force it, you attract it by being who you are and yung pinaka-goal goal mo sa content mo. So I called him, sabi ko, Direk, tingnan mo yung tingnan mo yung TikTok. TikTok ano muna nag-viral tingnan mo yung TikTok, nag-viral tayo.
Anong clip yan?
It was a clip with Gia Santos when the first namin na ginest. She had about 35,000 followers on Facebook at that time.
Engineer
Raketera yung branding niya.
Yeah.
So we talked about love, relationships, ganun.
Pumalo.
Oo, maraming nakarelate. And it was during the time na vacation din ng holidays, right? So, yun, tinawagan ko siya and he was surprised, tuwan-tuwa din siya. Na,
pero
finally.
sabay ng Facebook, no? Sabay?
Nauna yung TikTok. Latter part of December na yung Facebook. Kasi may timestamp ako, guys. I'm a hoarder of memories.
Oh, wow.
I would say.
Okay.
So pag merong milestone, pag may things that for me it's memorable, tina-timestamp ko yun. I'll save it, maybe a screenshot, phone screenshot or whatsoever. And then sa filing system,
I'm doing that.
Okay.
Sa filing system nakalagay doon kung ano yung memory na yon and then the date.
Very organized siya.
Pero hindi naka-file. Di ako organized.
You should. Kasi it's nice to look back on it.
Yeah.
Na this is where it began.
Tapos nagdire-diretso na.
Yeah, I think yung first year namin, 150.
Napako tayo dun yan. Tagal bago ulit.
Yeah.
1,000?
150,000 on Facebook.
Ang taas na rin yung 150,000.
Yeah. So yun nga, variety comes in waves.
Tsaka ako feeling ko lahat ng podcast, iba-iba ng flavor. Iba-iba ng flavor. So kami, how we treat our podcast, ito yung brand namin. So kami, kunyari, we drink whiskey. Tapos ito yung pinaka-treatment namin sa per episode. Kasi for example, if we talk about friendship, sa Life Over Whiskey, kahit na kayo pa rin ang guest namin, iba pa rin yung feel.
Yeah.
So parang we see na lahat ng podcaster guys, iba-iba ng flavor. So kami, ang ginagawa namin, okay, tinitingnan namin yung lane namin, sige, how do we improve? Hindi kami yung parang, kunyari, for example, let's say, kung sino man number one podcaster ngayon in the Philippines, hindi namin tinitingnan kung ginagawa niya. Iniisip namin, how do we improve the podcast? Kasi yung pressure sa amin, hindi dun sa hinahabol namin. Because pag hinabol mo yun, what if hindi naman yun yung flavor mo?
Yeah.
True.
Diba?
Ganda.
So, yun yung namin. Yun yung pinaka-principle namin. And, go ahead.
No, because you mentioned also, di ba, iba-ibang flavor ng podcast.
Yeah.
For sure, with the guests also and the topics, iba-iba.
Yes.
Paano nyo pinipili yung mga guests na you have on the show?
Okay.
Sometimes topics comes first. I mean, magandang topic to ipila mo nga, sabi niya sa akin.
Yeah.
Tapos we have a list for the topics. And then for the guests, mahaba na rin yung pipeline namin of guests that we want to be part of the show. Some of them we invite. So just like with you guys, meron kaming date, di ba? Date tapos time slot of recording.
Yeah.
So kung sino mag-confirm, we look kung ano ba yung topic na babagay sa kanya. But during sa usapan, pre-recording, we figure out na, mas maganda siguro ito yung topic natin. O game, tara.
Minsan naiiba yun.
Yeah.
Iba.
So for example, kunyari, kayong dalawa, mag-guest, supposed to be on topics about music, about acting. Pero along the way, parang, teka lang, parang kailangan friendship ang topic natin. So minsan, iniiba namin yun.
Yeah. So really look into how we can talk about something in common or aligned sa atin bilang guest.
Ako, I'm curious kasi you're talking about, guests and topics and
Yeah.
deciding it. You never know what they're gonna say on the set. Have you ever heard?
Parang alam ko na itatanong mo.
Okay. Several. Have you ever had, parang, how do you handle views that you don't agree with on the set? Paano mo sinasalo yun? How do you guys facilitate that?
I'll start first. Ako for me kasi, as a host, feeling ko kasi hindi ako bida. Ang bida yung guest ko. So technically, kung ano yung sabihin ni guest, itatry ko siyang himayin.
Mhm.
And then titignan ko kung saan nanggagaling yung guest. But of course, syempre there is some point of view na parang hindi yan yung point of view ko. But I have to respect that because yun yung opinion mo eh. I mean, it works for you. It might not work for me. So,
Yeah.
pero I don't judge you.
Yeah.
Ikaw yan eh. Yun yung sa akin. I don't know with Brian.
What about Brian?
I would say that the best interviewer doesn't lead. They follow.
Mm.
You follow what the guest wants the conversation, where the guest wants the conversation to go.
Yeah.
And even if we have differing opinions and
Mhm.
views, I don't need to agree with them,
Mhm.
Yeah.
but I can choose to acknowledge because that's real for
Mhm.
you,
Yeah.
right? I can give my own take.
Hindi, paano kasi kung yung guest tanungin mo, magtanong ka sa akin. Magtanong any question. No, just
What do you
any
mean?
question. Just any question. Ask any question.
Wala akong maisip ngayon.
Oh, wala kang may sinabi ka, tapos ang response ko sa'yo ganito lang. Yes. No.
Hindi, you acknowledge nga. You still acknowledge. You
Yeah.
still acknowledge where is the person coming from. That's what I'm
Okay.
trying to say. I don't need to agree with you,
Yeah.
but I can do it respectfully in a sense na I will acknowledge first. I'm gonna try to look at it using your lens. And I can perhaps give my own opinion
Mhm.
around
Or
it.
share your perspective.
I might say I don't necessarily agree with you. I recognize where you're coming from,
Mhm.
but my take is this. Pwede
Yeah.
naman ganun eh.
Merong isang magandang isang episode kami, may in-interview kami. Ang tanong ko dun sa in-interview namin, would you say that your relationship with your business partners is transactional?
Mhm.
So pag pinakinggan nyo ng viewers or pinakinggan nyo, it sounds negative, right?
Yeah.
Parang, ang sinagot kasi nung sumagot,
Yes.
I'm very transactional with my business
Business partners.
Mhm.
So pag pinanood mo siya, parang may mali, di ba?
Mhm.
But in reality, sa business world,
Yun
it's
talaga eh.
exceptional.
talaga.
Yeah.
It's accepted pala.
Sa relationships, negative yun eh.
Yeah.
Parang they think
Pero
lowly
ang
of it.
galing ni Bri kung paano niya sinabi sa show, nung tinanong ko, baga parang I asked the right question,
Mhm.
pero siya yung nagsabi na parang, ikaw na magsabi. Nagtahe.
Mm.
Na-
Nagtahe in a sense that
Parang
it
hindi
wouldn't
magmukhang
sound
negative.
negative
Yeah.
to the guest.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Ano ba
Kasi-
sinagot mo nun? Parang sinabi mo?
Hindi ko na maalala.
Ah,
But it's something to the extent na in business, kailangan klaro ka simula pa lang eh.
Mm.
Yeah.
Is this gonna be transactional?
Mhm.
Kasi if clear ka on the onset, hindi mo mababalik sa akin na why you're transactional,
Yeah.
right? Because it's expected already.
Yeah.
It's managing expectations. And a lot of the guests we have, just to go back to the question, may pre-recording briefing kami, di ba?
Mhm.
So in sales, may pre-framing din yun.
Oo.
Aha.
Pre-framing the conversation.
Yeah.
What's gonna happen during the show?
Mhm.
Di ba sabi namin, walang problema if you wanna curse or mura ka o kung anong gusto mong gawin, relax tayo dito.
Mhm.
If there's anything na do you want, let us know.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Diba? So a lot of the conversations, kapag may pre-framing, the guest would feel more comfortable
Mhm.
na
May na-consider.
Oo.
Mhm.
pag may mga conversations na tatanong ako sa'yo, it's just for me to get to know your thought.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Right? So si Direk minsan siya yung taga-push
Yeah.
ng mga questions, hard questions
yung
to
mga
ask.
questions na alam mong medyo
Delix.
Pwede maging
Delix,
controversial.
yes, yeah.
So-
Do you guys embrace like yung being like playing that balance of this might get us in trouble? But we're
Yes,
gonna
yes.
go anyway.
Basta
Pero
ganito,
pwedeng
bad
mag-hit
cup,
yan.
Bad
Pwedeng
cup,
mag-viral.
good cup.
yun
Bad
talaga.
cup, good
Yun na yung
cup.
role na tanggap na namin pareho yun.
Okay.
So I'll try to make a way na matahi siya
Yeah.
na you are still able to portray your
Or
thoughts
protect the brand also.
and protect
Yeah.
the brand as well.
Yes.
Ang napansin ko nga sa inyo, ito, I told this to you, whenever there's like an insight from me or from us, when we watched your episode, either of you guys, pero napansin ko si Brian yung parang mag-inject ng parang landing insight.
Mm.
Safe enough to move to the next topic.
Yes.
Kasi na-encapsulate na siya eh.
Yeah.
Pag-usapan na
Mm.
siya. Pero hindi kasi ang ayoko, yung kunwari nag-uusap tayo, tapos may sinabi yung guest, tapos lahat kayo pa, yun yung ano.
Minsan kasi kailangan ng onting context.
Oo.
Di ba? Parang kulang yung usapan na yun.
Ah,
Yeah.
So sometimes, minsan nga binabalik ko yung usapan eh. just to provide like additional context or clarity around what we talked about earlier.
Yeah.
Parang ganun, binibigyan mo ng context kasi pwede nga ma-out of context.
True.
Pero kami, pag pinapanood namin yung podcast, yung ganda nga ng batuhan nyo rin dalawa.
Yin yang din talaga kasi
Yin yang
sila.
din kasi kayo eh. Totoo nga.
Ikaw taas ako.
Ang gusto ko eh. Ay, pero yung, alam mo yung episode namin with you guys, sobrang na-enjoy namin. Totoo yun. Na-enjoy talaga namin.
When we left the set, when we guested sa Life Over Whiskey, sabi ko kay Abby, grabe no, nag-gel. I mean,
parang tagal na nating friends.
Tagal na nating friends. Tapos we even stayed after the guesting. Chumika pa kami.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon. So, those are nice interactions eh. Tumatatak siya eh.
Pero ito yung napansin ko lang.
Mm-hmm.
Alam niyo ba ang itsura niyo pareho is hindi kayo mukhang friendly?
Yeah.
Sabi nga nila.
Totoo.
Mataray.
Nila.
Pero it's the other way around. Ako kasi usually, ito experience ko, Bri. Pag yung mga tao na feeling ko medyo
Payaso.
mayabang or yun yung nagiging kaklose ko.
So feeling mo, parang mayabang
pwede
kami?
Hindi naman.
May angst. May angas.
May character. Parang ako, yung ibang tao, hindi ako kilala, feeling nila mayabang ako. Pero yun lang kasi yung facade na nakikita nila. Pero pag nag-interact ka na with, hindi pala, mabait.
I was surprised kasi I get that a lot. I have an RBF.
Yeah.
Resting bitch face.
Resting bitch face. Okay,
so
okay.
resting bitch. Resting bitch face. Ito, parang more on siya yung, hi, hello, gano'n.
Pero pag hindi rin ako naka-on, mukha rin akong mataray.
Wait, ito, meron ba kayong on-camera face and off-camera face?
Wala.
Eh.
Ito na yun. Ito na yun. Talaga. Swear. Ito yun.
Talaga?
Ito yun.
Wow, that's
why it's so light. That's why it's so light. Because we don't put up a facade na kailangan meron tayong switch na dapat ganito yung
may character ka.
Na-prepare siya. Wala.
You're as genuine as you
as
can
they
be.
come.
Yeah.
Ako naman, more on
Kayo ba ganun?
No, it's more of, I think I talked about it sa show na I'm an ambivert.
Yeah.
So pag nasa mode ako of socializing, that's my face. Pag natapos na tong araw na to, I encapsulate and I don't want to talk to people. I'll just be
hibernate ka muna.
by myself. Yung ganon.
Nakakatawa lang sa podcast minsan pinapanood ko. Kasi ako din sa latag and editing. Sabi ko masyado na ata tayong komportable kasi sobrang authentic na namin. Yung talagang mga reaction namin na, yung parang host pa ba tayo? Baka sabihin nila, nagkikwentuhan lang. But I guess that's what relates and connects with people din That we're just being ourselves.
Tsaka yung podcast nyo, napansin ko, ayun nga, walang keme. I mean, minsan na nagbabasagan pa kayong dalawa So that's why sabi ko, it works. Kasi yun yung gusto ng tao Kasi yun yung essence ng podcast. Hinuhumanize mo yung tao na on a regular day. For example, di mo naman makakausap dahil di mo kaibigan. Pero dahil nanood ka ng podcast ng Say What? At Life Over Whiskey.
May pa-plug.
So, parang, ganun pala sila. Okay pala sila. That's why, ang podcast, di ba, Brian, parang siya yung fastest growing platform now all over the world.
Content video.
How would you differentiate like a TV show sit down and a podcast show? Kasi I feel like people are not educated yet on the difference.
Okay.
Merong notion. I saw like on our recent guesting, may mga nagko-comment, ano ba yan, ang ingay-ingay nyo, lahat nagsasalita, ganyan.
Nag-guest pa kayo.
Ganito, ganyan. But to me, maybe you can give me your input on this. To me, ang observation ko of podcast is like, no holds barred. Like, you guys can talk.
Have a conversation.
Agree.
Walang balitaktakan siya.
Yeah.
As opposed to, for example, if you guest on like a sit-down,
talk show.
Talk show. So may cards. And so, what about this? Ganito? I watched yun. Ganito. What would you say about that? You know what, actually? What about, like may ganunan. Ang podcast, it's more like, hey, friend!
You share your insights, your stories, I share mine also. And then let's have a conversation that grows.
Yeah. Tsaka educate din natin yung mga tao na okay lang mag-butt in sa podcast.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ang akala ng mga tao kasi parang talk show na.
Exactly.
Siyempre yung experience na nag-guest tayo.
So, meron kaming gines na isang guy sa amin, daming comment na, ang dami kasing views nun. So, ang dami nag-comment na parang pasalitain nyo naman yung guest. Ang sabi namin, nag-reply kami, hindi po kami talk show, podcast po kami. Normal tayo ngayon, di ba? Minsan nag-overlap yung conversation because we're just friends.
Having coffee.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Conversation, ganun lang siya. Tsaka yung iba kasi feeling nila, Kaya eto lang sa mga gustong mag-podcast, siguraduhin yung nakalabas mic nyo, huwag kayong maglapel kasi para alam agad na podcast siya, hindi siya talk show.
Oh, kasi this is also an aesthetic eh.
Yes.
It sets a mood. To be honest, like the function, if you have like a clip on, it's the same naman for me. Like
it's the same. It's the same.
But this is like more, I feel the vibe.
Yeah.
You know, like I mean like, da-da-da.
And the sound is different.
Okay,
The sound
crispier.
is, yeah.
So,
Tsaka galing naman talaga sa radio broadcasting.
Yeah.
Ang podcast.
Yeah.
Right? Nagkaroon lang ng way for people to create their own and distribute it among multiple platforms.
Mhm.
So kaya, if you look at the roots, ganito talaga yung podcast.
Yeah.
Diba? It's like radio na you're talking to people.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Wala namang cut-cut yun eh.
Oh,
Yeah,
nagkaroon lang
dire-diretso.
ng visuals.
Nagkaroon ng visuals. Oh.
Na Mary na siya.
I have an
Yeah.
upcoming na podcast workshop. It's a 2-day live face-to-face
Mhm.
implementation workshop. So that people who are interested in creating a podcast would learn the technical back end.
Perfect.
Nice.
Yan sa mga
Yeah.
nanonood.
Oo.
Should go.
Kasi totoo, you know what? Meron akong nakitang naggawa ng video na parang comments under a video sabi, not everyone should have a podcast. Parang I'm like, you know,
Parang remove the mic from that person.
oo, kasi meron yung I feel like there's a responsibility to this.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think
exactly.
one of the whole goal of why we're also doing workshops is to give the mic to people who actually deserves to be heard.
Yeah.
Seen.
Napakaganda nun.
Yeah.
Yun yung
Yes.
pinaka-goal eh.
Yeah. Kasi ako, ito, nakakaano siya eh. To me this mic, nakaka-legitimize tignan, pakinggan.
Yes.
So if the message is not right,
Yeah.
and this has the legitimate look and sound of it,
Mhm.
people who are watching might mistake it na, ay tama yung sinabi niya. Kasi may
Correct.
sinabing
Exactly.
conviction.
Yeah.
So, kunwari, if I say something na parang, alam mo, dapat talaga nagtatapon tayo ng basura sa EDSA. Kasi alam mo, in the first place, kung ganun magsalita, tas,
Yeah.
you're seeing this legitimate look and sound.
Mhm.
Dangerous.
Alam mo, just to add with what you said, no, sabi nga namin ni Bryce, syempre minsan nakakatempe. Ano ba yung usual na nagpapaviral sa isang podcast? You talk about sex. If hindi sex, you talk about, let's say, chismis or katarantaduhan na, when I say katarantaduhan yung iba kasi yung kakwelahan lang eh. Iba yon. Pero sabihin natin yung medyo nakaka-degrade.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang minsan, syempre as a creator, minsan iniisip mo, ito yung bumibenta eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero sabi nga namin ni Bri, hindi tayo pwedeng sumabay sa wave na yan because kami, ang iniisip natin is that longevity.
Yeah.
You'll be famous
Diba?
for the wrong reasons. So,
Diba?
wag na lang kung
Oo.
gagawin mo yun.
For one viral video and then
Yeah.
iisipin mo how to outdo that last viral.
Kasi
Diba?
isipin mo, just like in business, pangalagaan mo yung pangalan mo eh.
Mhm.
Right? How will people trust you if they see that you've done this? That is literally maybe out of character or hindi maganda yung pinapakita mo.
Yeah. I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do you have like haters? How do you respond to that? Who usually responds if at all?
Depende, halo-halo. Minsan yung team namin, minsan siya, minsan ako.
But you answer.
Yes.
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, okay.
Pero kami, yung totoo, ako wala sa akin. Parang ano lang ako, natatawa pa ako. Alam mo yung mga ganon? Parang,
Engagement.
engagement. Tapos parang, thank you, may extra 2,000 pesos kami dahil sa hate mo. Parang ganon. So, but ako sa akin wala nang tama. I don't know with Bri. Ikaw.
Yeah, sometimes we engage in a meaningful conversation not unless they parang personal attack na. Yung ad hominem na.
Meron kang pumatol kayo na nag-video ka, pati pumatol ka. Nag-video ka ng sarili mo.
Nag-video
Video mo
pumatol ka.
Like, sabi nga ni ganito.
Yeah. What was that again? Parang,
Sa TikTok yun eh.
sa TikTok ako.
naalala ko yun eh.
Nag-respond ako via video. Dun sa comment.
Okay, what was the comment?
Hindi ko maalala eh.
Feeling ko meron siya isang sinabi na nag-viral na video niya. Tapos parang out of context yung feeling nung viewer.
Yeah.
So syempre, yung mga tao mga hateful words ang sasabihin.
Sometimes kasi projection eh. Like, a lot of people are projecting their own set of beliefs. Na minsan, kung mag-iisip ka talaga na mabuti, matatahi mo naman eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Kung ano yung meaning, kung ano yung mini-mean manonood. But obviously, meron pa ding creator responsibility, right? Hindi pwede yung parang hinook mo or bibigay ka ng something na controversial tapos hindi mo siya bibigyan ng enough context.
Yeah.
Kasi release is like 60 seconds, right?
Pero
Yeah.
for me guys, ano yan eh. Sige, go.
Hindi,
Go.
so reels are 60 seconds.
Yeah.
So sometimes, we learned our lesson. Kapag meron kami alam na ma-out of context, magko-comment kami to provide
Bawas
more
na.
context.
Okay.
Kakanyari lang yan sa amin. Sinagot ko ng exactly ganyan
Kasi
na
mali eh.
it's a 60-second clip out of a 1 hour
1 hour.
episode.
Yun din sinabi ko.
Diba? Oo.
Like,
And when she gets fired to reply, she replies. Girl, she replies. Tapos we have the same
Hindi ko pa alam yung minsan may issue pa ako kung high road dead ma ako or papatol ako kasi teka nga, hindi ko mapapalampas tong kasi.
paano kami may access? So nakikita ko lang yung mga comment ako popcorn ng, my God, si Abby.
Pero isipin mo,
Pumapatol.
it's still creator responsibility kasi it's the content you put out there.
Yeah.
So just, provide
may
more
point din man
context.
minsan.
Provide more context.
Pero guys, kasi para sa akin, tama yung ginawa ni Abby eh. Alam mo kung bakit? Free pass eh. Sometimes yung mga tao, yung hate nila sa buhay nila, nilalabas nila dun sa mga creators.
Yeah.
Let's face it, entertainer lang rin naman tayo eh.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
So, para sa akin, yung bad day mo, wag mo i-throw yung trash mo sa ibang tao. So,
True.
tama lang patulan mo. Diba?
Pero alam mo, part ng
Return to
pagpatol-
sender.
Return to sender.
Yung part ng pagpatol ko, well, kaya ako pinatulan talaga kasi gusto kong ipakita na, wait lang, may rason yan dito tsaka dito.
Oo, hindi naman yan empty.
At saka kaya kong mag-isip at sumagot sa'yo ng maayos. Parang na-challenge din ako na, wait lang, di ako gi-give up. Kasi meron namang ding, kasi tinawag kami walang kwenta eh.
Oo, ayaw na.
Eto, napikon.
Oo, napikon ako. Sorry. Kasi ito, ako yung parang ayokong as much as possible mag-react. Kasi pag nag-react ako, boom! So,
Dire-diretso ako.
oo.
Sabi ko, you need to check the context, blah, blah, blah. Dire-diretso. Biglang nawala lahat ng comments. Sabi ko, binura mo ba? Binura ko. Ayoko na. Naiinis ako.
nainis ako kasi sinabi niya, ayoko, kasi she was trying to be positive about it. Na, you should watch her show. Like, get to know what we do. Ganun. Tapos nag-reply, wala akong manood na walang kwentang podcast. Ganyan.
Oh my God.
Kaysa
Sabi
umano
ko,
ako, sige na lang, wag na.
Yung reply ko pa doon, pero may panahon ka makipagdebate sa isang 60-second clip
Yeah.
tungkol sa opinion mo.
Then feeling ko yung tao na hindi niya mag-gets kung ano yung sinasabi niyo.
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, medyo ang comprehension ni kuya or ni ate, medyo...
Kuya.
Diba?
Yeah. But that also shows that hindi siya yung market
Yeah.
nila.
Yeah,
Exactly.
true. You segregate.
They don't get it. I mean, some people just don't get it. And it's
that's
their
there's nothing
prerogative.
wrong. Yeah.
It's their prerogative to like the content that's right on in their screen.
Yeah.
That's why you could swipe up.
Pwede
And you could
naman huwag kayo
unfollow.
manood kung ayaw nyo.
Yeah.
Yung meron ka namang choice.
Tama, tama.
Yeah.
May na-regret na ba kayo ever na inere ninyo?
Oo.
Ay, meron. Naku po, meron.
Huwag na lang natin pangalanan.
Sige na,
Ito
huwag
naman.
na nga.
Ay, pero
yung pangalan.
bibigyan lang namin yung context.
Context,
Yung
yeah.
I think dalawa ata. Yan. Basta, paano ba?
We're thankful ha.
We're thankful. Don't get us wrong.
Yeah. Pero kasi, there are times na mararamdaman mo sa conversation na para bang isang tanong, isang sagot. Tapos
Oo.
hindi siya nag-engage
Feeling ko
as
pinipigilan niya na akong maging madaldal kaya siya na isa.
much. Okay, wait lang. Ano na to?
Mas maraming
Damage
masa.
control.
Damage control.
Damage
Namula
control.
si
Oo nga,
Alam niya na eh.
Baka may masabi ka pa. No, there were instances na gano'n na parang ang hirap. We're trying to steer the conversation.
Yeah.
Mas maging free-flowing siya, pero hindi cooperative.
Yeah.
So wala ka namang gagawa dun.
Wala ka mapiga.
Wala ka namang mapipiga.
As the host, if you have a guest na parang medyo subdued or like not
Walang
really-
energy.
Walang energy.
Yung sinabi
Parang
mo,
walang
isang
gana
sagot.
to
Isang tanong, isang
engage.
sagot.
Do you say what do you do to brighten it up or do you just let it finish?
Well, ako, for me, I have my own way how to make the conversation engaging or interesting. However, ang issue ko hindi yung isang tanong, isang sagot. Iba yung issue ko eh. Issue ko minsan, the person itself. Do you understand? The person itself. So,
Na kayo ang nag-imbita.
kaya sinasabi ko, ayaw niya na akong, gusto na akong paprado. Ay, teka, for context.
Ako'y nag-imbita.
Hindi siya nag-imbita. So pagkatapos pinagalit ako sa Brian.
Bakit mo naman gines
So, I mean, ano siya, medyo mahabang conversation pag kinuwento namin. Basta parang hindi ko lang gusto yung how the person is.
respond as well.
Na hindi off and on cam. So parang no choice na kami. And yung mismong video na yon, feeling ko, nagkaroon pa tayo ng ano doon eh, di ba? Yung parang, parang there was a time na parang may sa atin, ano ba tawag doon, community sa Facebook, sa Meta.
Violation?
Violation, parang gano'n.
May nag-report.
May nag-report pa. So parang sabi ko, that specific episode is not worth it pag binabalikan namin.
Okay.
So delete.
Delete
na lahat. Delete na siya.
Okay. Kasi kami naman, meron kami mga episodes na sabi ko, it's not gonna, I don't like it. Siya yung parang,
Hindi siya masaya with it.
I don't like it, or hindi yung masaya, it's not for me. And then, sabi niya, girl, tignan mo, ito pa yung pinakamataas
Second highest.
na
Parang hindi
nag-rate.
namin ina-expect yung mga bagay na hindi mapipick up. Yun pala yung people actually relate to it.
Yeah.
That's true.
Pero kasi wala naman siya negative connotation eh. Eto kasi kaya namin dinilit kasi baka yung manunood
might get,
iba yung maging impression nila not only with us but also may makuha silang paano ko ba maganda
How would you say it? A nice way.
Siguro baka may mapulot sila
dito,
doon. May mapulot sila doon na hindi
aligned sa
sa brand namin and pati mga bata.
Okay,
So off-cam will tell you.
Mamaya, sabihin nila sa akin.
Chika. But ito, because we're of course, dahil nga sinasabi mo na go-getters tayo and like we want to elevate.
Yeah.
If, of course, libe mangarap. If tomorrow, like we have the best, you guys have the best podcast in the world, what would that look like?
What would that look like?
Well, I would say, kasi we're planning things, one of which is, we want to try to explore doing podcasts
Abroad.
international. Meron kami mga tinry-try na before. When we have our own trips, nag-interview ako, nag-interview si Direk. Very intentionally going to different places and interviewing people, interesting stories. That's something we would want to happen in the future. And one thing that we declared, kasi si Direk, when we started the podcast September of 2022, October, nagrent na kami ng studio and all. And then, a trip home, sabi niya, nag-videoan ko yun, may video kami. Life Over Whiskey will be, sabi mo?
Kalimutan ko.
Life Over Whiskey will be very successful.
Yes.
Amen.
And that it is.
And then it happened. October yun.
Yeah.
And then December, nag-fly. And look at where we are right now. Recently, sabi ko,
Tsaka kailangan mo rin i-share yung pinag-usapan lang natin yung vision ng Podtrack, ginawa din natin.
Yeah, the Podtrack as well. So
Because
meron
it's a
kami
vision,
mga
eh.
visions that, we want to happen eventually in the future. Ngayon, lahat naman ng podcast gusto maging number 1. Right? And the rankings, pabago-bago yan, daily.
Yeah.
So obviously, it would be nice na maging number 1 kami. But sabi ko kay Direk, one day, we will gather the best podcasts in the Philippines. And wala silang choice but to recognize us.
Yeah.
Kasama dun yung Say What podcast.
Say What podcast.
Hindi, alay yan.
The best of the best.
Yeah.
One day, we'll gather the best of the best podcasts in the Philippines. And they have no choice but to acknowledge that we exist.
Yeah.
Kung paano mangyayari yun, abangan nyo na lang.
Abangan nyo. Okay, may dream guest ba kayo?
Yes.
Local and
Dream
international.
guest.
I'll start first.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, local, recently na-guest namin siya.
Who that? Or, hindi pa?
Na-release na namin.
His name is Wellington Sung.
Okay.
So he was the one responsible for bringing in Jaguar, Land Rover, Ferrari, Maserati,
Oh, wow.
and Land Rover in the Philippines. So he was my boss before. Siguro way
Siya
back.
rin ang nag-establish ng Rocks.
2007 to 2010, I was working for him. Tapos, parang surreal yung feeling na he was my boss before, tapos na-interview namin siya. So, yun yung dream ko
Ganda
for
ng
me.
moment na yun.
Kasi,
for you din.
as you described, parang level ng para Henry Siang na interview namin.
Yeah.
Parang level.
Parang ganun yung, so yung feeling sa akin, parang hindi ako, parang hindi ka surreal. Yun talaga. Yun yung feeling.
Yeah.
Pero international, siguro, Christopher Nolan and David Fincher. Yun yung dream.
In the field of filmmaking and cinematography.
Pero yung pinaka-dream talaga natin sa local, na guest na natin, yung Say What?
Say What?
Diba?
Hey!
Oh my gosh. And you're
you
on
guys-
their show.
Ayun na. Minanifest namin to.
When you guested, you haven't started Say What yet.
No, we haven't.
I know.
Di ba?
Wala pa.
We
Wala pa.
haven't started it yet.
We had
Ilo-launch nyo pa lang.
Ilo-launch nyo pa
bangko
lang.
episodes pa
I
lang. Wala pa
remember.
tayong first guesting talaga ever
Exactly.
was Life Over
Hindi pa nga
Whiskey.
nag-exist eh.
Yeah.
Oh, galing.
We had a video that hopefully like claiming in the future it will come true talaga. Now we were claiming that the show will really
Yeah,
be
inspired by you. You shared that with us.
Ate, doon mo ginawa yun sa
To
sa
record.
studio.
Yes.
Ni-record mo yun. I remember.
I have that.
I remember.
So in the future, we'll be releasing that.
Yeah.
Yee.
Guys, if there's one thing that sa mga viewers, if you want to pursue this kind of career or path, it's those things yung declaration na ganun.
Yeah.
Kasi it makes you not just feel good, but something you would want to look forward to happening in the future. Because
Yeah.
who knows? Who knows
Yeah.
kung what's in store for us?
True,
Mhm.
true.
But the mere fact that you have that,
Mhm.
Yeah.
and when it happens, oh my God,
Mm,
the level of
that's amazing.
fulfillment
True. And I
through
think
the roof.
the audacity to dream.
The audacity
Yes.
to dream.
I feel like
Love
yun
that.
yun eh. Yung parang, like when someone, I was in that phase before na parang I don't even deign to think of those things kasi baka it's too outlandish or baka hindi kaya. Ngayon parang it's like sky's the limit. You just dream and have the audacity to do it.
Tsaka yung pag na-realize mo na, I believed in myself
Yeah.
years
Mm.
ago. Buti na lang, I didn't give up on
I
myself.
decided long.
to walk in anyone's shadow.
Kumanta.
You know the reason why nagfa-fly ka sa career mo in Even You? Because you have the passion eh. Mahal mo yung ginagawa mo regardless of malaking bayad sa'yo or sakto lang, pero you still do it because you believe na one day,
Yeah.
magiging successful ka dun sa passion mo.
Yeah.
So I guess that's the secret to everything that we do.
Mhm.
Dapat
Mhm.
passionate ka talaga. Kasi
Mhm.
pagka pera agad ang inisip natin,
Mhm.
I don't think it's going to fly.
Yeah.
You know what I said kay Direk? Kanina lang, before the shoot.
Mhm.
Sabi ko, alam mo itong dalawang to, ang nakikita ko, that what works for them is you actually enjoy doing it.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
I think, yeah.
Therapeutic, aminin nyo.
Oh, ano siya eh. It brings joy.
Yeah.
Hindi, kasi I think happiness is, like it's fleeting. It sometimes comes and goes. Pero when
Yes.
you have joy, when you do something, it's from the inside, ano siya eh. I'd like to think infectious.
Correct.
So,
Yeah, this is, you're expressing a part of who you are.
yeah.
The identity of Say What, it's a part of you eh,
Yeah.
that you're expressing.
Yeah.
Mm.
Shucks, ang
you.
ganda.
Mm.
Meron kaming gustong tawagan si Andrea.
Oo.
Let's do the fishbowl.
Because we
Ito
have
tatay
a
nakakatakot.
new segment. Thank you for sharing your insights and your
Yeah.
stories, especially when it comes to starting a podcast. Yung mga
Yes.
interesado dyan na nanonood ng napakagandang podcast na Say What Podcast.
Oo.
Hey!
speaking
Grabe
of
tong
that,
collab na to. Grabe
I
to
know,
ha.
right? At
Oo.
dahil dyan, meron kami bagong segment na tinatawag na The Fish. Mali.
Sige.
Dali, take two.
Hindi.
Dahil bago pa lang eh.
Okay.
The fish
At
bowl.
dahil dyan, meron tayong bagong segment na tinatawag na The Fish Bowl. Okay? So, madali lang to. Meron tayong ilang mga topics.
Okay.
Sakto kasi from a girl's perspective and the men,
Yeah.
Okay.
ano ang ating take sa
Okay,
mga
so bubunot
topics.
ako,
Yes.
tapos
And then you just give your hot take on the
Oo.
topic.
Hot take lang.
Wag super...
without explanation?
Pwede naman.
Pwede naman.
Pwede naman.
Okay, teka lang.
Sila sasagot.
Lahat tayo.
Okay.
Lahat.
Pero
Lahat.
we'll take
Basahin mo,
turns,
basahin mo.
yeah.
First impression nyo sa Say What Girls.
Totoo ba?
And are we doing a good job with the show or not? Okay.
Nasagot na kanina.
So,
pero sige,
oo,
pwede
sag-
naman ulitin.
Yeah.
I-reiterate na lang
kasi what's in
natin.
the bowl.
Oo,
eh.
we don't know.
Ako,
We don't
for
know.
me, you're not doing a good job. You're doing a great job. Because you're putting your heart into it. Yun yung totoong take ko doon. As long as nilagay mo yung puso mo tsaka kaluluwa mo sa ginagawa mo, then you're doing great.
Aw.
Regardless
Thank
of the result.
Yeah.
Ako reiterate ko lang that the reason why you're doing great is because you're enjoying
Mm.
every moment, even if there are sometimes creative differences, arguments, but always remember that you're doing this because you're giving a part of who you are to each viewers.
Yeah.
So, to each viewer who, in the hopes, would take away a lesson.
Yeah.
Right? Or hindi man lesson, ma-enjoy nila.
Yeah.
Maiksi ang buhay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Diba?
Good
Let's
vibes.
enjoy.
Good vibes
Good
lang.
Good vibes.
At hindi namin pinlano na yun yung makuha nila na question.
Teka lang, ano
Yeah.
take nyo dito? Sumapalik namin yung tanong
Talaga
ko.
ba?
Ano take nyo dito?
Alam mo, nahalo yung ano natin.
Oh.
May nahalo. Pero carry, Ben.
Sige,
Oh.
sige. Oh,
Sagutin niyo yan.
awkward nito.
Oo. Sa kanila?
Oh, sagutin mo yung question na
No,
yun.
no.
About life.
It is also a reflection with so far, kumbaga,
How do we think?
how you've come so far.
Yan.
It's a reflection. Kasi even if it's technically dapat di nyo sagutin,
Oh.
Yeah.
twist
Sige.
mo na lang na,
Sige, ikaw muna. Ikaw muna, interview tuloy
Oo
tayo.
nga. Sit tuloy tayo.
well, let's be spontaneous. Kasi hindi naman planado, guys. Right? Hindi naman planado.
Ako, I think we're doing a damn well good job. I think so. And I say it with my chest.
Mhm.
Kasi I remember when we birthed the idea, parang it felt like hindi siya, parang ang layo to make it happen, for it to actually be a standing show.
Mhm.
So, I don't, totoo yung sinasabi nila, just take the first step and then worry about the next and then the next. Don't think about like, oh, how do I get to step 20? No, ito muna, step 1 muna and then
Yeah.
step 2. And then I look back, go, wow, we're partnered with the Pod Network.
Yeah.
We have like been getting good feedback on the
Mhm.
show, and I don't think it can only go up. So, ako, I think we're doing like,
You would say na you thank yourself for saying yes and taking that step.
yeah, I really do. And following a hunch and trusting your gut
Yeah.
and lifting the rest to God.
Yeah.
Yun lang
Ganda.
siya eh.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Bye, bye.
How about you, Abby?
How about you?
And I just want to commend her for that because this whole show is really her brainchild. I mean, we've been friends and partners in Say What for a long time, but in terms of really believing in a product, a podcast that we should run with, ikaw naman talaga yung nag-push nun eh. And ako, support ako not just because I see the value in it and what we could give also to the audience, but because I enjoy working with you. And I trust in your creativity, your passion, and your love for our craft. Ayun.
Galing.
Shucks, ang ganda naman ng
Alam mo mga audience natin, maraming matututunan about friendship. Ang galing. Ang galing lang.
Ganda.
talaga.
There are no accidents. Yung question na yun, supposedly hindi
Oo
kasama.
nga,
diba?
akala ko hindi dapat kasama eh. Kasi sabi ko, bakit nandun?
Bakit nandun
It's
siya?
not, it's
Pero
not an
that's a good
accident.
reflection din.
Yeah.
Kasi even now, like, we're only on our 12th episode.
Yeah.
But it's exciting what the possibilities could be.
Kasi we're learning ngayon pa lang yung parang, ay, dapat din na natin in-include yan. Or we should do more like with this one.
Yes.
Maybe we should edit things this way. Yung mga
Oo.
technical stuff
Yeah.
then. And even when it comes to the guests we have talking to them, parang you, like what you said, elevate each and every time.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay.
Okay, next
yay.
question.
Let's go, let's go.
Ako, actually.
Sigurado yung maganda yung mga feeling mo.
Make me say what.
Kaya na yan.
Maybe we'll do 5.
Yeah.
Who falls in love faster, girls or boys?
Oh, hey!
Oh, medyo mainit yan ha.
Oh, hey!
Kami una
okay.
Kayo.
Feeling ko babae. Iba kasi pag ang una na yung babae because iba yung estrogen as compared to testosterone.
Sabi ko,
And
ayun na
mas
naman
ano
siya.
kayo eh.
Ito na naman si testosterone.
Estrogen na naman tayo.
Hindi, mas ano kasi kayo eh, mas emotional people kayo
Yeah.
as compared to men. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, ang men para kaming mga cavemans eh. Kumbaga ngayon na lang sa makabagong time na medyo may feminine energy na. But
Yeah.
so ako for me, feeling ko ang una na in love is babae.
What about you, Brian?
I think no, I think I agree kay Direk na yung when you say love kasi yung word eh.
Mhm.
Pero siguro yung na-attract
Yeah.
or na-infatuate, feeling ko lalaki. Pero yung love, the deeper sense of, affection with another person, I do agree it's girls. But girls, women na lang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or maybe it depends on the situation.
Depends on the situation. But maybe on a general sense.
Yeah.
Wala masyadong context. Pero,
walang context.
Ito, general to, general.
General.
It's
the
fishbowl.
We think it's women.
Okay.
How about you guys?
Ako agree. Kasi this could be just my life observation na parang women are more, we look for depth agad-agad. Again, in general. For men, it's more like, yung...
It takes time, no?
it takes time or parang May gano'n ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-describe.
Parang feeling ko yung sa lalaki more of I need winning and the challenge first. Parang I'm gonna get her. So I'm gonna try to win you. Tapos yung babae may in love na.
Or like if I get like that kind of parang parang women are like, "Oh," and then I'm responding in sounds.
Yeah.
But but yun yung tingin ko na parang
Pero gets.
women are more inept to receive to take that as love, whereas men parang more on pa lang it takes more time to get there. Parang gano'n.
Agree. I think
Same.
yun lang din sa akin. Oo, kasi parang attention muna yung sa lalaki. I'll give you attention. You catch I desire you, I'll give you attention. Pero parang it takes a while to really feel emotional and love that person.
Yeah.
Yung babae, pag pinakitaan mo na agad ng ganun, medyo emotional agad yung response. So, nade-develop agad yung love.
Yeah. Pero kasi feeling ko ang lalaki kasi is unang nakikita niya physical, ang babae kasi mental eh.
Yeah.
Parang mas na-attract kayo kapag nasi-stimulate yung brain niya. As compared to men.
Mental.
Medyo
Sometimes
medyo
Sometimes.
maganda to pero medyo kulang sa pero pwede na.
Pwede na. Okay.
Okay, so
Next.
Next.
Ay, sila.
Ay, sorry.
Okay. Sorry, pinahirapan kita.
Sorry.
Okay, ganda nito. Which gender fears commitment more? Ganda ng question na to
Lalaki, syempre! Ay, sorry.
Lalaki in general, pero meron kasi mga babae na parang si Summer. 500 Days of Summer. May mga ganong girls na parang nandun sila sa thrill.
Yeah.
And meron din kasing mga girls na I would say na merong daddy issues.
Yeah.
So, kailangan nila ng certain drama in their life para to get that love or attention.
True.
Yeah.
So, I guess my answer is babae.
I concur. But I think
Commitment.
parang depende talaga sitwasyon to eh.
Oo.
Which gender fears commitment more?
Maybe on a general sense. Yeah.
In general, lalaki talaga. Kasi syempre ayaw nilang matali. And then,
Yeah.
there's this idea na you would want to explore. As far as for women,
Spread the seed.
oh my God.
Ikaw talaga. Hindi siya.
Just have our clip.
Wag mo ikat yun
Kasama yun.
I don't know what to feel about that. But yeah, that's the general sense for men. For women, gusto nila to settle down, right? And have that sense of security and peace of mind.
Yeah.
If a man would give that peace of mind or safety for a woman, then a woman would settle down.
Truth.
Pero depende, Bray. Minsan kasi may mga babae na parang lalaki. May mga lalaki na parang babae magmahal. So it really depends on the situation.
Dynamics nowadays.
Oo, lalo na ngayon, ang mga babae ngayon, iba na. Ang mga babae ngayon, before, ang thinking ng mga parents natin, kailangan mag-asawa ako na maaga.
Yeah.
Ngayon, hindi na. Career muna.
Totoo.
Diba? Iba na mga babae ngayon.
Freedom nagmamatter.
Ikaw, Abby, what do you think?
Lalaki in general.
Why? Based on
DJ
experience?
Tony is one of the endorser of non-commitment for men. Watch our episode with DJ Tony, kaka-ere lang. Pero in general kasi, yun nga, parang lalaki yung ayaw matali. Yun yung... Tsaka may sense of, what am I gonna miss out if I'm committed na? Sorry, ulit. What am I gonna miss out on when I'm committed na?
True. I had a recent conversation with someone and he said, ano ka ba? Ang ano ko pa ngayon? I'm in my prime. Like, I can't be slowed down and tied down right now. There's too much of me to go around.
Wow.
Sabi niya yun.
Sino yan?
So,
Kaya pala may pa-share the seed ka parang gano'n.
Doon pala galing.
Pero aminin nyo guys,
Spread the
minsan
seed,
mas mag-grow ang career mo pag may partner ka.
pag may partner ka?
May partner,
The
life
right-
partner.
The right.
The right partner. Yes.
Could men and women really just be friends?
Ay, ang galing. I have, medyo
Yes.
matindi take ko dyan.
Sige.
Okay.
Go.
Lahat ng makausap ko, ang sabi nila sa akin, there's no such thing as friendship na babae and lalaki. Kasi at some point, ma-attract
Attract.
kayo sa isa't isa. But in reality, most of the people that I hang out with is babae.
Mhm.
And ang tumulong sa success ko, most of them is babae.
Hmm.
Like for example, sa real estate, pag bumabiyahe kami abroad for a road show, 2 girls ang kasama ko.
Mhm.
So, ang question doon, hindi ka ba nade-develop? Or
Mhm.
Yeah.
Ka gusto.
Hindi talaga. Hindi
Mhm.
talaga. So for me, that's my opinion. Ako, para sa akin, ang babae at lalaki pwedeng maging magkaibigan na walang attraction.
Hmm. Ako, can I?
Okay.
Sige, magganong-ganon.
Oo.
Sige.
Ako, I think,
Parang alam ko na isasagot niya. Alam ko na agad.
no, no, I think men and women can be platonic, real good friends after a hump.
After a hump?
Yes. I think yung for like last not
Cut nyo raw. Yung last niya, sabi niya.
Wait.
no.
Hump, right?
No.
Ah, hump kasi. Hump. Oo.
Narinig mo.
Hindi. Double meaning kasi hump.
Hump.
Yeah.
So double meaning eh.
Kaya nga
Kasi
kasi na-absorb ko.
No, because I feel like in general, men will hang out with women ng matagalan kasi attracted sila physically.
They're interested. Yeah.
Yes. And ako, I was telling her also last night, yeah, I'm gonna talk to someone for 3 hours kasi kahit papano, you're easy on the eyes. Right? I mean, I will talk to
Easy on
people
the
in
eyes.
general, right? Pero in terms of yung talagang ipaplant ko yung sarili ko sa and spend endless hours, kahit papano, kahit konti, meron yung attraction.
Gets ko na yung sinasabi
Kahit
mo.
konti, kasi
Gets
you're
ko na.
easy on the eyes.
Okay.
But you
But
feel a certain kind of
drawness, parang nado-draw ka dun sa tao. But after yung sinasabi kong hump is, like, I'm attracted to this person physically or intelligente yung tao. Do I decide to get over that hump and be real friends with this person?
Oh, okay.
Doon magiging totoo yung friendship. Kasi, if I decide, yeah, this person is attractive, yeah, this person is accomplished or whatever, mas gusto ko siyang kaibigan. So if we're lucky enough to find someone na pareho kayong nag-align dun sa goal na yun to just be platonic, real friendship can be.
Yeah.
So parang ang sinasabi mo, tama, correct me if I'm
Yeah.
wrong. So parang ang sinasabi mo, kunyari isang tao may konting interest ka,
Mhm.
pero it's a matter of right timing kung magko-crossover ka or hindi.
Kasi until then, you're playing with fire eh. Until then,
Okay.
you're kind of like thinking, could it go all the way
You're
into something?
tiptoeing around
Oo,
and
ganon.
trying to check.
But until you
May pupuntahan
decide,
ba to?
until you decide to get over the hump and be like, talagang kaibigan, barkada, tropa, bro. Pag ginanon mo na sa utak mo and hopefully in an ideal situations, nag-align kayong dalawa, real friendship is there. Because I've had that. Na I did have a friend na parang I was really attracted to. Pero
Alam ba niya?
we both, yeah. Pero
Ah.
we decided to get over that.
Sino to?
Kilala mo to.
Pwede ba i-declare dito sa podcast? I-declare natin. Para bukas, nasa The Buzz na to. The Buzz luma.
No, but I think that's practical eh.
Hmm.
Na you decide first, is the good looking or the other aspects I'm attracted to this person is pang relasyon or pang kaibigan.
Tama.
And then when you decided, yun na yun.
Tama. Okay, so teka, kayong dalawa, hindi kayo safe dito. Ano
Oo.
opinion nyo?
Ikaw muna, right?
I agree with G actually that for a man and woman to be friends, hindi mo maiwasan that there's a possibility that you'll be attracted to the opposite sex.
Mhm.
Now, the question is, wala bang commitment tong dalawang to?
Yun, isa pa yun.
Kasi
Kung
kung may...
ginawa naman controversial talaga ni Brian.
No, I mean, if one of them
Yeah.
is into a commitment, then automatically dapat you set boundaries na eh.
Exactly.
Hindi na pwede na
Wala ka
i-friend mo
naman
pa to, i-best friend mo
Correct.
pa. In a sense, wait lang. Let me explain. Let me explain.
Nag-explain po siya.
So, kumbaga, kunyari, you need to really be with the other sex, right? And hindi mo maiwasan na magkaroon kang interaction.
Yeah.
You stop yourself. You don't put yourself in compromising situations na perhaps your relationship will be in jeopardy or relationship niya will be in jeopardy.
Yeah.
Right? Kasi if you ito ibang expression. If you go over the hump at pinuruso mo yun,
Baka ibang hump na yan.
Ibang pag-hump.
Pakikat yun, ha?
Parang baka masapak ka na nung partner, no?
Yeah.
Crossing boundaries.
Tama.
So you really need to look at the situation. If both of you are not into a commitment, then it begs the question na meron ba talagang attraction between you guys?
Yeah.
Kung i-define nyo ba yung relationship na yan? If not, then that's the time na maybe I'm not ready yet. Where I'm just gonna be friends with you.
Yeah.
So, from what I'm getting bago tayo mapunta kay Abby, siguro, nagdidepende siya kung sino yung mas may gusto.
Do you need to stop yourself o to pursue mo to?
Exactly. Nandun din ako sa sinabi ni Brian. Kasi ako, pwede, for sure. Have so many guy friends. Enjoy being with them. Number one is, are they in a relationship? If they are, alam mo na yung boundaries mo for yourself and the friendship that you're gonna have. Kung wala namang relasyon, feeling ko boundary din sa sarili mo if you're gonna be opening yourself up to the possibility of being in a relationship or liking the other person. Or kung sa utak mo, hindi mo na talaga siya bet. Hindi mo na rin i-encourage yung friendship na lumalim to the point na, uy, tara, hangout tayo, overnight tayo sa ganyan.
Overnight?
Or road trip tayo, 3 hours papuntang ganyan. Parang, hello, alam ko na rin yung sarili ko, pwede akong mag-fall kung ganyan yung mga sitwasyon, diba? So, bakit mo pa i-aalaw yung sarili mo to be in a situation na ayaw mo naman to get into in the first place? Now, if there's attraction, okay, sige, tara, road trip tayo. Ayan. So, parang go.
Wag lang talaga na may jowa.
Wag
Kasi
lang talaga may jowa.
difference lang kami.
Hindi, wag talaga may jowa. Kasi alam mo na naman na, yun nga parang
You're
bakit tayo
threading the line
mag-uusap ng
May ganun
3 oras?
May ganun eh.
Kahit emotional, kasi di ba cheating, there's the whole micro-cheating thing.
May gusto
Hindi lang
sabihin.
naman sensual or sexual ang pero parang if
May
I'm gonna be
micro-cheating,
friends with you, why do I need to update you about what's happening in my life right now? Sino ka-text mo? Wala, ino-update ko lang si Brian kasi sabi ko na
May mga ganun. You're threading the line kung ano yung acceptable, papasahan na hindi ka na-cheat.
So it means, for example, if kinausap ka ng isang lalaki for 1 hour over the phone, does it mean that nagusto ka na ng lalaki or gusto mo na agad yung lalaki?
Sa totoo lang, sorry, ang prangka, hindi ako makikipag-usap sa isang tao nang wala akong interest ng more than 30 minutes.
Talaga ba? Even if it's business?
No, it's business.
It's different.
Iba
It's
yun.
different.
I won't spend time with a guy na tropa ko lang in a way na hindi pang tropa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kumbaga para like, kunwari, inuman. Kunwari, one-on-one na inuman. 3 hours, 4 hours with just you and me. Come on. It can't
Pero what
keep
if,
lang
let's say,
on.
in a group,
Huwag
you're
na tayo
talking about
maglokohan.
life.
Oo.
Okay lang yun.
Okay, in a group,
Magkakasama
we're talking
tayo.
about, like, kunyari, dito podcast. Does it mean na may attraction na agad yun? Kasi di ba usually, nag-open daw with each other kapag parang pareho kayong vulnerable. But in reality, kasi feeling ko, lalo na sa panahon natin ngayon, it's basically normal.
Yeah, hindi maganda yun. I'm talking about the one-on-one setting.
One-on-one.
Kunwari, Brian,
okay.
catch up tayo. Punta tayo dun sa bars.
Tagaytay tayo,
Jen,
ganun.
Like, okay.
Gerald.
I'll label it. It's a date. Okay? Yun. We're gonna talk about like bonding for 3 hours. It's not bonding. Get out of here. It's a date.
Okay.
So you can't, parang nasimple lang yun na kasi magbarkada or whatever. Whether you're in a relationship or you're single or what, that is like kind of the situation na, you know,
Gumagawa ka ng opening eh. No?
Opening. Parang
Yeah.
yun nga, you know the situations that could potentially lead to or spark something. So if you have no intentions of letting that spark happen, why be there in the first place?
Exactly. Kasi, for example, in my case, kami, we're taken already. So obviously, there are people na parang, uy, parang ang ganda niya. We admire people.
Yeah.
Right? But that doesn't go to a point na, alam mo yun, alam mo na eh.
Tread the line.
Yeah.
Parang alam mo na matatanda na tayo eh. So
Yeah.
mararamdaman mo na kapag medyo nararamdaman mo may attraction and then may mga signs. ganyan.
Yeah.
Huwag mo nang i-follow up.
Yeah.
Don't follow through na. Alam mo
Yeah.
na because you need to set that boundary for yourself because pag nilagay mo sarili mo sa ganung sitwasyon,
Lulubog ka na.
Lulubog ka. Ikaw, you're gonna be at fault.
Oo.
After
Pwede
the
yun.
relationship,
Dami na nating
can
podcast
they
topics
still
na
be friends?
Okay. Hindi.
Sige, that's our last
That's our last question. Sige.
Yeah.
Boys.
Sorry. Sorry, na-caught off
With
guard.
an X.
After the
Friendship with an
relationship,
ex.
can they still be
Friendship
friends?
with an ex.
Well, ako, for me lang. Sorry, ba't
Hindi, ikaw.
ex, parang nung
Ikaw
sabi mo,
muna,
ex,
ikaw muna.
boyfriend ba tayo? But anyway, ako feeling ko, yes and no.
Mhm.
Yes, kung ako lang yung involved, kung wala akong partner. Pero in respect to my partner,
Absolutely.
yan yung opinion ko dun. Pero ako, for example,
Absolutely.
I'm going to a roadshow. Okay lang ba i-message ko si ganto?
Mhm.
Papatulong lang ako pero hindi ako direct sa kanya. May
Mhm.
taong,
Yeah.
meron akong taong ilalagay in the middle
Yeah.
to course with her
Yeah.
in respect to your partner.
Yeah.
Ako, for me, yun yung sa akin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, in respect and boundaries pa rin talaga. But I wouldn't know kasi wala pa akong
Pwede
ex.
pa rin na maging.
I wouldn't know
The
kasi
one
wala pa akong
agad.
ex.
Oo.
Right.
Ikaw, Abby.
Feeling ko pwede.
Mhm.
Pero, ang corny pero favorite word ko yung boundaries din talaga eh. Kasi you have to set that not just with your relationship with the other person but for yourself.
Mhm.
Like you
Mm.
wouldn't allow to relate to the ex in a, yung alam mo na maaano ka pa.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung current partner mo, probably sinare mo na sa kanya kung ano nangyari.
Mhm.
So
Oh.
alam mo yun, parang for that, your partner to be worried na baka mamaya ma-ignite ulit ang relationship na to. Diba?
Ang pinoprotektahan mo syempre yung security ng current partner mo.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Oo.
Agree.
Assurance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ako, better not.
So even if, kunyari, ano ko lang kailangan ko matanong yun. So, kunyari, okay naman kayo naghiwalay. Mutual.
Yeah.
Tapos meron ka ng current partner.
Oo.
Ngayon, business transaction lang naman na alam mo kikita ka ng malaking pera.
Ano, magkano? Ang pinag-usapan niya magkano? Kasi madali ako kausap.
Magkano? Okay.
Trabaho.
Sabihin natin mga
Yan.
mga let's say 2 million project.
2 million na project. Sige, gusto mo.
For a month.
For a month. Gusto
Less
natin.
30% with the manager.
Out of town tayo, gano'n. Tapos, sama natin. No, but ako,
But that's a serious question.
yeah,
Totoo yun,
realistically, better not. Kasi, first, I wouldn't do business with an ex.
Okay.
Treading lines. There's a reason why it ended. Probably there was some stuff there that I don't want to revisit.
Okay.
So, I would want a business to be, personally ito
Yeah.
like, si Abby yung exemption sa friendship business angle eh. But in terms of like, handling business, I would want a fresher take on things, new people to work with, ganun. So if I have like parted ways with someone ex-related, let's just keep it in the past. We can kamustahan, whatever. Pero clean lines works best for...
Pero paano kung yan yung breakthrough mo? Yang mismong project na yan.
Ay, naku, pag-uusapan natin.
Di ba? Paano yun?
Okay lang yan. Trabaho naman.
Trabaho lang naman yan eh.
Oo. Once again, the Life Over Whiskey Boys, Brian, Gerald, thank you so much for being on the
Maraming
show.
salamat,
So
guys.
much
Na-enjoy
fun.
namin.
Salamat.
Super.
I had so much fun. Do you guys have anything you want to promote? Anything going
Invite
on?
our viewers to the show.
Hope you can also support us at Life Over Whiskey, available on all social media platforms. We are also conducting a workshop for podcasts. So if you're interested to know about the intricacies, the back end, and hopefully start your own podcast, is open for business owners, creators, and a lot of professionals, thought leaders. If you have something to share, and I always say this, direct, if you have something to share, a message to tell, and a voice worth listening to, definitely check us out. Podcast Launch Mastery, www.podvoice.ph.
And lastly, pag gusto nyo ng self-help na book,
Yeah.
The Dark Horse Mindset, available sa Fully Book and Lost Book Cebu.
Yes, sir.
Ay.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat! Nakikita na tayo!
Thank you so much.
Say
what?
Thanks, guys.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.